What's up, everybody? I already got 2 videos out that show how to connect and using Jscan, especially the newer video I got where it pretty much goes in detail. But I'm gonna just show y'all something real quick. So a couple days ago, when I picked up my Jeep, I had the gears upgraded from 488s to 538s, and I forgot to set up the computer for 538s. So check it out. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Won't take that long. Hold on. So as you can see right here, I don't have to do a lot of pulling because I got extension cables and they're just up here. So I pull it down. Here's both of the cables. Take the cord adapter right here. Got the OBD already in there. Hook one up right here. Hook the other one up right there. Boom, there you go. Got them both hooked up to the cable. Now let's go up top. All right, so I got everything hooked up down there. You can see lights blinking, lights on, then we know it's connected, right? Connected to power. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm using the tablets because it's easy for y'all to see. And I'll go there, and I'm gonna go and press the Jscan app, open it up. Now you can see all the vehicles come up. So I'm gonna go over here to the engine start stop, push it, and push it again so that it's in the run position. But you don't want the engine running. Now, if you push on the brake, the engine will crank up. So you don't put your foot on the brake, just push the button twice and it goes to the run position. You can hear all the lights and bells and stuff going on in the background to let you know you're there. So then I'm gonna come over here, find my vehicle, which is the JT. And then since it's Bluetooth, I'm gonna hit auto connect to Bluetooth. Other warning message come up, tell you the engine should be off, it's initializing, tells you at the bottom what it connected to, and boom, there's all your stuff right there. Just like before in other videos, here's all your specifications, everything. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to adaptation, I'm gonna push it, then I'm gonna scroll down and find, let's see where'd it go, tire and axle settings. And so I'm gonna push that. Now if you know, well, wait a minute. Let's see, here it is at the bottom, axle ratio. Once I click that, if you look right here, try to get a close up, it says 488. That's because it's set to 488, what my axle is right now. Hit the drop down button, go on here, find, there it is right at the bottom, ratio 538. I want to click that, go over here, click go, and it'll tell you to wait. Change is applied successfully, and it'll tell you everything you need to do. It says to finish up procedure, turn off the ignition, close and open the driver door 2 times, then leave the car closed for 5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll be right back as soon as I do that. Okay. All right, we back, y'all. So I did the whole deal where you shut the power off, open and close the door twice, and then leave it closed for 5 minutes. Let's see if it worked. There. Now we're gonna go back over to Jscan. I got the app open. Go back and select that. Connect the Bluetooth. Let's go back in here and see if this thing stayed connected. Adaptation, tire and axle settings, axle ratio. Boom, there it is, 538. So it worked. Well, that's it. I got the 488s upgraded to 538s. I had to go in and reprogram the PCM so that it could recognize the fact that there's been a change. So the speedometer and the shift points and everything can change and do what they're supposed to do. I just want to do that little quick one. Even though I already got a couple videos out, just to go through it again and show y'all just how simple it is. Hey, I hope y'all learned something. I got other stuff to do. Y'all stay safe. Don't forget to smile. Make somebody else smile. And go out and change your life. Peace out, y'all. See you later.